Hi everyone, Paul Levy with Brownells here, and today we have a BRN-10 prototype. We realized we hadn't shown one of these off firing, so we've got an early model out here to run it through its paces. A few things are going to change between this and the production models, which will be coming soon. Obviously the production guns will be finished, they will not be in the white. Big thing we did at a customer request was we changed the front sight base. So this is not the style you'll see on the production models. It'll be more like an original Sudanese Dutch AR-10 front sight base. The bulk air group we changed. There'll be 3 gas vents, and really that's the major change. This is the production charging handle, upper and lower configuration. So let's go ahead and put some rounds through it.